Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to make a popsicle stick frame. It is basically a DIY that we are going to make using some very basic materials that are very easily available. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please do show some love in the comment section below. And if any one of you wants such creative DIYs to be made for your loved ones, then you can surely contact me in all the given links below in the description. I hope you like this video. Thank you. At first, we take a cardboard, a glue gun filled with glue stick, paper, pencil and some popsicle sticks. The first thing that we have to do is to place the popsicle sticks in an hexagonal manner so that we do not face any difficulty while pasting it. Here I am placing the popsicle sticks in the form of an hexagon. The very next step that we have to do is paste the popsicle sticks using a glue gun. Here I have completed pasting all the sticks in the manner, and here we have the base. This is the base that we have to make for preparation of our hexagonal popsicle stick frame. The next thing that we have to do is to place the popsicle sticks one on another. We have to do this till we reach 4 to 5 layers to give it a nice thickness. Here I am pasting layer on layers, and here the base is ready, or a popsicle stick frame is ready. I have made 4 frames in all. You can make as many as you like. Now all the 4 frames are ready, and now we have to place them in whichever manner we like. I am placing it in a random manner so that it gives a nice pattern on the walls. The manner which I have created is a beehive type manner, and it looks good on walls. The very next step that we have to do is to tie 2 of the frames using a rope. After completing tying, we need to put a knot and then tie it and cut the extra edges. Now this is ready, and now we have to check whether it is tied properly or not. We have tightened all the knots that we have tied, and the next step that we have to do is to open the knots and cut the extra edges and paste it using a masking tape. Here I am opening the knots that we have tied and cutting the extra edges. This is the masking tape that I have used. The next step that we have to do is to spray the entire frame in the black acrylic color. For this monochromatic frame, we have to make it a black acrylic coat first. This is ready. Let it dry for some time, and here I have some cutouts of some pictures that have been cut out in the form of the frame design. We have to place them so that we get the required sizes. Then we have to twist the frame back and then put the required frames in the required places. Again, by using a masking tape, we have to fix the photos that have been cut out in the shape of the frame. Here the frame is ready and the 4 photos has been fixed properly. Now by using some more masking tapes, we have to fix the photos firmly. Then we need to fill up the gaps in between them to fix them more firmly. Here it is completely done and the photos has been fixed very properly. Now you can see how it looks. The next thing that I have got are some studs. These are silver color studs that gives a nice look on the black color. Now I am fixing it one by one on the corners and on the edges of the frame. Here it is done completely and here how it looks. You can see we have to fill all the edges using these studs. After putting the studs in the corners and the edges, it depends on us what personalizations we would like to do on this base design. What I have done is I have put some flowers and a happy birthday tag on the top to give it a complete birthday design to the complete frame that we have made.